This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you have. Open PowerShell and run Python version so you know your baseline. Once done, export dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT and save virtual environment locations so nothing breaks. Then download the official Windows installer for the latest Python from the distributor. Choose the correct 32/64-bit build. Make sure the installer matches your system, and plan whether to install for just your user or all users. You run the installer and, importantly, check Add Python to path so commands work immediately. Once you select Customize, pick pip and idle, and choose Install location that avoids permission conflicts. For multi-user machines, choose Install for all users. Make sure to keep the option to install pip and documentation. During installation, watch for optional features like TCL/TK or debugging symbols. These matter for GUI apps and native builds. When it finishes, test Python version again. You now verify the update by running Python version and where Python so the shell points to the new executable. Once confirmed, run Python mpip install upgrade pip, then pip install r requirements. TXT to restore packages. If scripts fail, make sure virtualims are recreated with Python mvenv and activated. A common troubleshooting tip: if path still points to the old version, edit environment variables or call the new Python via its full path. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.